Your sacral chakra is connected to your emotions, to your relationships. It's also connected to money, and it is connected to your sexuality. So here is a beautiful sacral chakra meditation that will help you heal your emotions and all things sacral chakra. Let's do this.
Come sitting in easy pose, elbows by your side, palms wider than shoulder width apart, and slowly moving hands inwards, then back out to the sides. And as the hands move in, connect to your sacral chakra by squeezing up on the pelvic floor. So hands move, contract the sacral chakra area, hands stop at center, release the contraction. Move and activate, stop and release. And we're going to add some chanting to this. So as the hands move, chant Sat. The hands stop, chant Nam. And inhale as the hands move back out. Sat, move and squeeze. Nam, stop and let go. Continue with eyes closed. Bring your hands on your heart center and continue chanting. Feeling the vibration underneath your hands. Last one. And inhale deeply, suspend the breath for a moment, and exhale. Feeling the beat of your heart beneath your hands, connecting to the energy. Raise your arms above the head, shake it out, distribute the energy. And there you are, your sacral chakra meditation.